Ah. Oh, hey, Wolfie. I'm just gonna run away from this because I have nothing to do with this and I don't want anything with. Hold on, that's rude. Oh my jeez, what is wrong with these textures? Well, in my manager job, it's just weird. Wait a second, I can't get out of here. Oh wait, yes I can. Oh, hi Wolfie. I don't want to see that anymore. I gotta break through here. No! 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 Wait, what's your name again? I forgot your name. I don't even know your name. What the heck's your name? Wait, Wolfie, come in here. You'll be safe. Wolfie, come here. Wolfie. Wait, oh wait, I forgot your guys' Glitch Trap. I kind of remember that name. Maybe I should just go in the bounce house. Ree. I broke through that. I'm destroying. Wait, is this Foxy's house? Oh yeah, I remember Foxy. I forgot he was a thing in this pizzeria. But maybe I should check up on Circus Baby and Wolfie. Wow, this goes pretty high. Ah. Maybe I should go home, actually. Actually, no. Wolfie, what are you doing? Wolfie, what are you doing? I guess that's just weird. Wolfie. Oh my god. Wolfie, you shouldn't have that. Oh god, I gotta go out of this place. Out of here. You can't get through those signs. And it was another day at Freddy Fazbear Pizza. I'm gonna die.